Hey, everyone. So, my day starts around 7 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch a little. Gotta wake up the body, right? Then I head straight to the shower. After that, I make myself a cup of tea and have a quick breakfast while scrolling through my phone a bit. Morning planning is a must. I like knowing what's coming up. Once I'm ready, it's time to dive into work study. Emails, assignments, or meetings. The usual grind. But I try to keep it fun. I put on some music in the background. It really makes a difference. And of course, short breaks are essential. Even if it's just 5 minutes to stretch or grab a snack. Lunchtime. I usually make something simple, like ramen, and enjoy it slowly. Sometimes I catch up on a show, or read a few pages from a book. This little break is exactly what I need to recharge for the afternoon. Afternoons are for productivity and a bit of adventure. I finish up tasks, run errands, or sometimes go for a short walk outside. Lately, I've been trying new hobbies too, like drawing, to make the day feel exciting. Evening vibes are the best. I make a cup of tea, sit back, and just relax. Sometimes I journal, listen to music, or spend time chatting with friends or family. It's my way of reflecting on the day and feeling grateful. Before bed, I like to prep for tomorrow. I write down goals, do my skincare routine, and maybe read a little. Then it's lights out. Another day of adventure awaits tomorrow.